Where'd it go, Zach?
No, we can't go.
Okay. Well, we're doing multiplying fractions and mixed numbers. And so when you follow the steps for multiplying fractions, you multiply, write each answer in simplest form. So you have negative 15 times 2 over 3. So negative 15 times 2 over 3, you would change the negative 15 and write that as a fraction. So when you write it as a fraction, you put it over 1. Does everyone understand that? Okay. So when you have, are there any questions so far? Sigrid?
Where's the negative sign? Do you just
you would put it right here, like by the 15 when it has 15 over 1. And then you just have 15 over 1 times 2 over 3. And then next step is you have 15 times 2 over 1 times 3. And then you would cross out 15 and 3, and this divided by 3 is 5, and 3 goes into 3 one time. So then you simplify, and that equals 10 over 1, and that equals 10, or negative 10. And then here's an example of what a problem would look like. And I just put the steps and just numbers. So this is what you would do. So first you would have your problem 1 over 3 times 4 and 1/2. And then you would go to the next step, which you would have 1 over 3 times 4 and 1/2, and that equals 1 over 3 times 9 over 2. And that's when you would simplify this. 4 over 1/2, you would simplify it to 9 over 2. And then the next step, you would have 1 times 9 and over 3 times 2. And you would cross out the 9 and the 3, and 3 goes into 9 3 times, and 3 goes into 3 once. So you would have 1 times 3 times 1 times 2. And the fourth step, it would equal 3 over 2, or 1 and 1/2.
And you're reading that as accurate in an exam?
Yes. Does everyone understand it? Are there any questions?
Okay, well, I'm doing an example of multiplying fractions. This one is kind of not right, so don't pay any attention to this one up here.
Are there any questions?
Almost.
Our brains are kind of lost in the process. Well, what I did was I multiplied together by 1 times 2 to 4 times 3. Then I divided them both by 2, which is 1/6, which is in simplest form.
Any questions?
No.
Okay.